Hi viewers, this is Raya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am excited to show you how to create this beginner friendly tatting lace with all of you. Here is the diagram for the lace. First we have to make these 3 rings, next chain and this single ring. In this pattern I have included 4 double knot in between 3 picot for each ring and 6 double knot picot, 6 double knot for chains. Plus I added a bead to make my lace looks even prettier. Let's get started. For the pattern you will need a shuttle and a ball of thread. Today I am using anchor cotton thread and few beads. And make sure to place all the beads on the ball thread. Let's make rings. Let's make the rings. First ring, four double knot, picot, 4 double knot, picot, 4 double knot, picot and 4 double knot. Close the ring. Let's make the second ring. It's also 4 double knot, join in here with this picot, four double knot, picot, 4 double knot, picot and 4 double knot. Next ring, four double knot, join, four double knot, picot and 4 double knot. Picot, 4 double knot. Next chain. First place a bead in here. Six double knot. Decor and six double knot. Next chain. Place a bead. Six double knot. Picot. Six double knot. This is how the lace will continue. Beside the lace, you can also use this design for necklace or bracelet. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.